Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this story to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of natural gas futures in different time frames. So friends, here you can see a weekly chart of natural gas futures. Friends, here I would like to show you that how natural gas futures have been behaving during the last few weeks. So here you can see that after testing the highs of $2.889 in November 2019, natural gas futures witnessed a sharp downward move up to the levels of 1.449 on June 22nd, 2020. But from here, witnessed a sharp rebound up to the levels of $2.731, and once again some sell-off was seen here and tested the lows of $1.8 during the month of September 2020. But here you can see that once again the natural gas futures showed a sharp bounce back from these levels and tested the highs of $2.9. So here you can see that the natural gas futures looks to be completing this social like shape. So where I find that the natural gas futures look ready for a sharp upward move after completion of this formation in a weekly time frame. So here I find that the weekly closing of natural gas futures at the levels of $2.773 seems to be a very critical juncture for natural gas traders, because here you can see that this level of $2.773 seems to be a major resistance for natural gas futures from a very long time. So if we have a look at this level, so here you can see that this level seems to be a very tough resistance level since the year 2018. Here you can see that since 2014, when the natural gas futures found a good support during this fall and continued to defend this level, but finally moved downward below this level during the year 2016 and tested the lows of $1.6 in February 2016, and from here the natural gas futures started an upward move and faced a stiff resistance once again at the same levels, and finally the natural gas futures breached this stiff resistance level of $2.777 in November 2016 and tested the highs of $3.992 during the month of December 2016. So friends, here you can see that this level seems to be a good support for natural gas futures. When the natural gas futures found a downward move, this level provided a good support. So friends, here I find that the natural gas futures have found a closing above this strong support, because now this level has turned into a strong support when the natural gas futures have found a closing above this level. So therefore I find that the natural gas futures could start a sharp rebound from these levels. From here I find that if we find a gap up opening on the first trading session of the upcoming week, we will see the natural gas futures could try to beat the immediate resistance of the 2.889. I find that a session move of the levels of the 2.9 will result in a sharp upward move up to the next resistance of the 3.198 during the upcoming week. And on the lower side, we'll find the natural gas futures will find an immediate support at the levels of $2.625, where the natural gas futures could find a bounce back from these levels, and the second support could be seen at the levels of $2.4, which will provide a good support to natural gas futures, from where the natural gas futures could find a sharp upward move back up to these levels, up to the levels of $2.889. And here I find that a session move above the levels of $2.968 will result in a sharp upward move. Here I find that the natural gas futures could breach the immediate resistance of $3 during the upcoming week. So friends, now let's check this move in a daily chart. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures have been maintaining an uptrend inside the upper zone of this saucer, what I have discussed in a weekly chart. So here you can see that the natural gas futures have been maintaining a strong position amid this zone, where I find that this formation seems to be evident enough for a gap up opening on the first trading session of the upcoming week, because here you can see that the natural gas futures behaved in the same manner on September 28th, which resulted in this formation on September 28th, and the same formation has been generated by the natural gas futures in a daily time frame on October 16, which could result in a gap up opening on the first trading session of the upcoming week. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.